you never knew. Back and relax, and I won't relax. Ask me sober, I even have gold. I don't compete, then where's the retreat? Autocomplete so I don't deplete. Then say goodbye to words I've had that. I always told you, yeah, you were phony. That's why you phoned me when they would so me. I could hear my tone inside of my home, because I was screaming while I was leaving. For the final time when you cheated on me. How you lost this and how you dropped it. Now I'm steaming without your meaning. What you're meaning, you lack your meaning. If I ever laugh, I leave it behind. I'm looking ahead and remain present. I'm in my bed and made you turn red. We know it's too tough while the words get by. Thought the word leaves eyes so dry. While looking at young, everyone saves some. Into a color we hate each other. Energy next the way we were raised. I was sorry for all background pays. Sit tattooed on my head. Where I go when I'm dead. Sit tattooed on my head. Where I go when I'm dead. Sit tattooed on my head. Where I go when I'm dead. I'm the master, I ran way faster. I'm not the best, I put to test. Cut my check while I think ahead. Said he wanted lightning in a bottle. I gave to him at the bar that night. I'm so pronto I rapped it louder. For the crowd cheer they were chugging beer. One saw deer not in my headlights. I've seen crepes in my younger days. I'm so amazed at the stormy blaze. I'm so blazed I'm activated. And it's something new, look how it came through. Way ahead of you with longevity. Keep it steady, my arm ain't heavy. I'm now focused and remain on point. Spoken to phones when I was worried. Talk to your dad for you to calm down. Speed up the star who knows where to park. I heard me before, mom checked me out. Knives up north, I gave it my all. Just sit and chill and watch the wood melt. Bring dog after dog for reasons unknown. Spoke on me while in the chopper. The instant said I saw it through a threat. Wasn't that bad, I hold no regret. Sit tattooed on my head. Where I go when I'm dead. Sit tattooed on my head. Where I go when I'm dead. Sit tattooed on my head. Where I go when I'm dead. Back in things straight, my charm doesn't break. In fairness, I've traveled the land. Way before abandonment to withstand. Pain of a gram placed into your hand. No walk towards the life of quick throws. Why am I here now outside the wind still? Tell bitch out like a frozen pond. Firm of myself to reach better health. I'm a person now but need to get through. Know my name quoted in the game. If you're stalking me, ask for hold the key. If you want my sling, I'm still not deranged. With always in without showing shame. And the shoulder tame is set with the flame. I don't want the fame against mental pain. I'm trying to care when I throw a fit. I remain fit, I'm forever there. I'll ask you to get into art to script. I won't let you down if you see me frown. Crosswinds around the board with a pen. Power's time to midsummer tens. If I made your day, they call me Junior.